Hey guys, this is Sam from Ghlsaaskits, and in this video we are going to talk about the white label license of Artixo AI. So if you are an agency owner or the content creator, and if you want to sell your own AI content creation platform, then Artixo AI white label is for you. Just like GoHighLevel, you can sell your license to end users for the account. You can charge them as you want. So the same thing goes into the Artixo AI white label. So let me show you step by step how Artixo AI white label actually works. So let me log into an agency. Okay, so here is the login page. So let me put the information and login. So you see this is actually the agency dashboard. Okay, this is agency dashboard. This looks like, and you can set your own domain, branding, colors, and everything inside the platform. You can see here you can upload your logo, you can put your name, okay, the application name that you want, and then you can choose the color, okay, and you can put your support information, and also you can add the user. Okay, so let's say for an agency owner you are selling the content creation platform. Okay, so all you just need to create user by putting their email address, password, and the display name, and then you can give them the access. Okay, so and also you can set your own pricing plan. Okay, here you can set your own pricing plan like this. Okay, so you can name the plan, then the description, okay, it's your pricing, and then the monthly credit you want to allocate for each plan. Okay, and also you can choose the model. We have a lot of different AI models right now into the Artixo AI, like for View 3.1 fast, View 3.1 quality, View 2, View 3.1 light, grok videos. We have sedence, then cling different models, as well as the avatar live, which is actually another model which create you the video. All you just need to upload image and audio, then it will lip sync the video. And you have the image model, okay, like the nano banana, Imagen 4, grok image, and also recently we added GPT-2. Okay, so you can enable the different models, like we also have the music creation from the Sono, as well as the 11 labs for audio. Okay, so we have all different models here, and you can just by clicking this icon, you can enable this specific model for the pricing package. Okay, that will be usable for your end user. Okay, and you can also set the credit cost, like for each video creating with View 3.1 first model, how many credit you actually want to charge. Okay, by default is already fine, but if you want to charge based on your pricing model, then you can set your own pricing for each of the model. Okay, here is the pricing plan creation, and then we have the settings option where you can set your own custom domain for your website. Okay, so here is the agency information, and then you can see we have added the custom domain here, and you can also do this. Okay, by here all you just need to add your domain, then verify the DNS record, and it will go live within a few minutes. Okay, so everything is done for you. All you just need to rebrand the platform, set your own pricing, and you can start selling it. You can start brand your own AI content creation platform. Okay, so let me show you how actually the user works. Okay, so here is the user I just created. So let me log out from here, and then I will log in. Okay, login back. Okay, you can see here is the login page, which is actually branded by this agency. Okay, let me put the email address and the password. Okay, so once your end user logged into the platform, they will see your logo, your branding, and also your domain. Okay, they don't see anything about the Artixo AI because it's already a fully white label options. Okay, for you to sell your own AI content creation platform. Okay, so now your user can create videos based on your set pricing. Okay, they can choose the available model. They can also use any features we have into the platform, like ad creation with the different AI models. We have also different ad styles, okay, as well as influencer video, talking photos, lip sync, as I said, and also the podcast story builder. Okay, we also have the story builder here. You can set the story, and then you can generate video for each of the scene. We also have the Grok storyboard, which is the new model actually. Okay, you can put it here, and also we have everything like your image generation, as I said already, into all the models we have now. Okay, and also there are some inspiration. So basically these are the template. Okay, your user can get the prompt, everything from the platform. Okay, so it's everything actually done for you. All you just need to get the agency license and start your own money making software. Okay, so that's it for this video, and we will also give some more details. If you're interested to get the agency license, then you can also go to artixoai.com, and you will get the link into the description of this video, and you can also contact us via the support. Okay, and if you have any other questions, if you want to know more information, then just feel free to contact us. Thank you very much for watching. Have a nice day.